For this quick yoga stretch for back pain, you can take a traditional child's pose or extended child's pose to make a little extra space for your belly and chest. In either option, you can place a folded blanket underneath the knees for a little extra cushion. Maybe add a block underneath the forehead if that feels good. Settle in and take a few deep breaths. Really feel the breath traveling up and down the spine. Let the tailbone get long, pulling away from the crown of the head. Feel the spine get taller with each exhale. You're welcome to stay here with these long, slow, deep breaths, or you can start to walk the hands over toward the left to add a little side body stretch. This works in traditional child's pose or extended child's pose. So either way, walk the hands over to the left, breathe deep into the right side of the body. Feel that breath travel all the way down into the lower back. Relax. Whenever you're ready, slowly lift your head and walk the hands over to the opposite side. Breathe deep into the left side ribs, sending that breath all the way down into the lower back, creating more space. Bring it back to center, child's pose or extended child's pose. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Walk the hands back and slowly bring yourself up to sit. Thank you for practicing with me. Now head over to santoshaspirit.com for full-length yoga classes, training plans, courses, and more.